Step-down transformers are essential components in electrical systems, primarily used to reduce voltage levels from a higher voltage primary circuit to a lower voltage secondary circuit. This voltage reduction is crucial for safely and efficiently powering various devices and equipment in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. The core principle behind a step-down transformer lies in electromagnetic induction, which dictates how electrical energy is transferred between two or more circuits through a shared magnetic field. The transformer consists of two or more coils of wire, electrically isolated but magnetically linked, wound around a common ferromagnetic core. These coils are referred to as the primary winding and the secondary winding. The primary winding is connected to the input voltage source, while the secondary winding provides the output voltage to the load. The key factor determining the voltage transformation ratio is the turns ratio, defined as the number of turns in the primary winding divided by the number of turns in the secondary winding. In a step-down transformer, the primary winding has more turns than the secondary winding. Consequently, the voltage in the secondary winding is lower than the voltage in the primary winding. The relationship between the primary voltage, secondary voltage, primary turns, and secondary turns is expressed by the following equation: volts primary divided by volts secondary equals turns primary divided by turns secondary. For example, if a transformer has a primary winding with 2400 turns and a secondary winding with 240 turns, the turns ratio is 10. If the primary voltage is 1200 volts, then the secondary voltage is 120 volts, calculated as 1200 volts divided by 10. This ability to precisely control voltage levels is what makes step-down transformers indispensable in numerous applications. Consider a typical residential application. The electrical power supplied to homes is often at a higher voltage, such as 1200 volts or 2400 volts, to reduce transmission losses over long distances. However, most household appliances and electronic devices are designed to operate at lower voltages, such as 120 volts or 240 volts. Step-down transformers are used to reduce the high voltage supply to a safe and usable level for these devices. For example, a distribution transformer located near a group of houses steps down the high voltage from the power grid to 240 volts and 120 volts, which are then supplied to individual homes. Within the home, smaller step-down transformers may be found in appliances like phone chargers, laptops, and entertainment systems. These devices require even lower voltages, such as 5 volts or 12 volts, to operate correctly. The step-down transformer in a phone charger reduces the 120 volts AC from the wall outlet to 5 volts DC, which is safe for charging the phone's battery. In commercial buildings and industrial facilities, step-down transformers play an even more critical role. These facilities often have a mix of equipment that requires different voltage levels. For example, large machinery may operate at 480 volts, while lighting and office equipment operate at 120 volts or 277 volts. Step-down transformers are used to provide the necessary voltage levels for each type of equipment. In industrial settings, transformers are also used to step down voltage for specific processes such as welding, motor control, and powering sensitive electronic equipment. Using step-down transformers improves safety by reducing the risk of electrical shock. High-voltage electricity can be dangerous and potentially lethal. By stepping down the voltage to a safer level, the risk of electrical accidents is significantly reduced. Additionally, step-down transformers enhance the efficiency of electrical systems. Transmitting electricity at high voltages minimizes transmission losses due to resistance in the wires. However, high voltage is not suitable for all applications. Step-down transformers allow electricity to be transmitted efficiently at high voltages and then converted to lower voltages for safe and effective use in homes, businesses, and industries. When selecting a step-down transformer, several factors must be considered to ensure it meets the specific requirements of the application. Firstly, the voltage transformation ratio must be appropriate for the desired input and output voltages. Secondly, the power rating of the transformer measured in volt-amps or kilovolt-amps, must be sufficient to handle the load. Overloading a transformer can lead to overheating, reduced efficiency, and premature failure. Thirdly, the insulation class of the transformer must be suitable for the operating environment. Transformers used in harsh environments may require higher insulation ratings to protect against moisture, dust, and other contaminants. Fourthly, the transformer's impedance is important for managing fault currents. Higher impedance can limit fault currents, protecting downstream equipment, but it can also affect voltage regulation. Fifthly, the type of core material used in the transformer affects its efficiency and performance. Common core materials include silicon steel and amorphous steel. Amorphous steel cores generally offer higher efficiency but may be more expensive. In summary, step-down transformers are indispensable components in electrical systems, enabling the safe and efficient use of electricity at various voltage levels. They are essential for reducing high-voltage power from the grid to lower voltages suitable for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. By understanding the principles of operation and the factors involved in selecting the right transformer, engineers and technicians can ensure that electrical systems are safe, reliable, and efficient. The applications of step-down transformers are vast and varied, spanning across numerous industries and sectors. In the medical field, step-down transformers are used in medical imaging equipment such as X-ray machines and magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) scanners. These devices require precise and stable voltage levels to ensure accurate and reliable imaging. Step-down transformers provide the necessary voltage regulation and isolation to protect sensitive electronic components and ensure patient safety. In the telecommunications industry, step-down transformers are used in base stations and communication towers to power electronic equipment and maintain signal strength. These transformers are often designed to operate in harsh environmental conditions, such as extreme temperatures and high humidity. They provide a stable and reliable power supply to ensure uninterrupted communications services. In the transportation sector, step-down transformers are used in electric vehicles (EV) and hybrid electric vehicles (HEV) to convert high-voltage battery power to lower voltage levels for powering auxiliary systems such as lighting, air conditioning, and electronic control units. These transformers are designed to be compact and lightweight to minimize their impact on vehicle weight and efficiency. They also provide isolation between the high-voltage battery and the low-voltage systems, enhancing safety. In renewable energy systems such as solar power and wind power installations, step-down transformers are used to convert the high-voltage DC power generated by solar panels or wind turbines to low-voltage AC power that can be fed into the grid or used locally. These transformers are designed to handle the fluctuating power levels and harsh environmental conditions associated with renewable energy sources. They play a crucial role in integrating renewable energy into the power grid. The design and construction of step-down transformers have evolved significantly over the years, with advancements in materials, manufacturing techniques, and control systems. Modern transformers are more efficient, reliable, and compact than their predecessors. They incorporate features such as advanced core materials, improved insulation systems, and sophisticated monitoring and protection devices. These advancements have enabled the development of more efficient and sustainable electrical systems. Transformer efficiency is a critical parameter that affects the overall energy consumption and operating costs of electrical systems. Efficient transformers waste energy in the form of heat, which can increase electricity bills and contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. High-efficiency transformers, on the other hand, minimize energy losses and reduce operating costs. Various standards and regulations have been established to promote the use of high-efficiency transformers, such as the Department of Energy (DOE) efficiency standards in the United States and the European Union (EU) Eco-Design Directive. These standards specify minimum efficiency levels for different types of transformers and encourage manufacturers to develop more efficient designs. The maintenance and testing of step-down transformers are essential for ensuring their continued reliable operation. Regular maintenance activities include visual inspections, oil level checks, and insulation resistance tests. Visual inspections can identify signs of damage such as cracks, leaks, or corrosion. Oil level checks ensure that the transformer is properly cooled and insulated. Insulation resistance tests measure the integrity of the transformer's insulation system. In addition to routine maintenance, transformers should be tested periodically to verify their performance and identify potential problems. Common transformer tests include turns ratio tests, impedance tests, and insulation tests. Turns ratio tests verify that the transformer's turns ratio is within the specified tolerance. Impedance tests measure the transformer's impedance, which can indicate winding faults or core problems. Insulation tests assess the condition of the transformer's insulation system. The installation of step-down transformers requires careful planning and execution to ensure safety and reliability. Transformers should be installed in a well-ventilated area to prevent overheating. They should also be protected from moisture, dust, and other contaminants. The transformer's nameplate should be clearly visible and accessible. Proper grounding is essential for safety and to prevent electrical shock. The transformer should be connected to a dedicated grounding electrode system. All electrical connections should be made by qualified personnel in accordance with applicable codes and standards. When selecting a location for a step-down transformer, several factors should be considered. Firstly, the location should be easily accessible for maintenance and inspection. Secondly, the location should be protected from physical damage and environmental hazards. Thirdly, the location should provide adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. Fourthly, the location should be close to the load to minimize voltage drop. Fifthly, the location should comply with all applicable codes and standards. The environmental impact of step-down transformers is an important consideration in the design and operation of electrical systems. Transformers can contribute to environmental pollution through the use of insulating oil, which can leak and contaminate soil and water. Transformers can also generate noise pollution due to vibration and hum. Efforts are being made to reduce the environmental impact of transformers through the use of environmentally friendly insulating fluids, such as synthetic esters and vegetable oils, and through the development of quieter transformer designs. Recycling transformers at the end of their useful life is also important to recover valuable materials and prevent environmental pollution. The future of step-down transformers is likely to be shaped by several trends, including increasing demand for energy efficiency, growing adoption of renewable energy sources, and advancements in smart grid technology. High-efficiency transformers will become increasingly important to reduce energy consumption and operating costs. Transformers will play a crucial role in integrating renewable energy sources into the power grid. Smart grid technologies, such as smart transformers and advanced monitoring systems, will enable more efficient and reliable operation of electrical systems. In addition to these trends, there is also a growing interest in solid-state transformers, which use power electronic components to perform voltage transformation. Solid-state transformers offer several advantages over conventional transformers, including smaller size, lighter weight, and improved efficiency. However, they are also more expensive and less reliable than conventional transformers. As technology advances, solid-state transformers may become a more viable alternative for certain applications. In conclusion, step-down transformers are essential components in electrical systems, enabling the safe and efficient use of electricity at various voltage levels. They are used in a wide range of applications, from residential homes to industrial facilities. By understanding the principles of operation, the factors involved in selecting the right transformer, and the best practices for installation and maintenance, engineers and technicians can ensure that electrical systems are safe, reliable, and efficient. The advancements in transformer technology are driving the development of more efficient, sustainable, and intelligent electrical systems. When working with step-down transformers, it is crucial to adhere to safety precautions to prevent electrical accidents. Always de-energize the transformer before performing any maintenance or repairs. Use appropriate personal protective equipment such as gloves and safety glasses. Follow all applicable codes and standards. Never work on energized equipment unless you are qualified and authorized to do so. Be aware of the potential hazards associated with transformers, such as high voltage, oil leaks, and noise. If you are not qualified to work on transformers, seek the assistance of a qualified electrician or technician. The National Electrical Code (NEC) provides comprehensive guidelines for the safe installation and operation of transformers. The NEC covers topics such as transformer grounding, overcurrent protection, and wiring methods. It is essential to comply with the NEC when working with transformers to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. NEC Section 450 covers transformers. Proper sizing of step-down transformers is critical to ensure reliable operation and prevent overheating. The transformer's volt amps or kilovolt amps, kV amps rating should be sufficient to handle the connected load. Overloading a transformer can lead to reduced efficiency, increased heat generation, and premature failure. To properly size a transformer, calculate the total volt amp or kilovolt amp load connected to the secondary winding. Multiply the volts and amps of each load to determine its volt amp rating. Add up the volt amp ratings of all the loads to determine the total volt amp load. Select a transformer with a volt amp rating that is equal to or greater than the total volt amp load. It is also important to consider the transformer's duty cycle, which is the percentage of time that the transformer is operating at its full rated load. If the transformer is operating at its full rated load for extended periods, it may be necessary to derate the transformer's volt amp rating. Derating involves reducing the transformer's volt amp rating to account for the increased heat generation. Transformer protection is essential to prevent damage from overloads, short circuits, and other faults. Overcurrent protection devices, such as fuses and circuit breakers, are used to protect the transformer from overloads and short circuits. These devices are designed to trip and interrupt the flow of current when the current exceeds a predetermined level. Surge protection devices, such as surge arresters, are used to protect the transformer from voltage surges caused by lightning or switching operations. These devices divert the surge current to ground, protecting the transformer from damage. Ground fault protection is used to detect ground faults, which are unintentional connections between a live conductor and ground. Ground faults can cause dangerous shock hazards and can damage equipment. Ground fault protection devices, such as ground fault circuit interrupters (GFCIs), are used to interrupt the flow of current when a ground fault is detected. Transformer cooling is essential to prevent overheating and ensure reliable operation. Transformers generate heat due to core losses and winding losses. This heat must be dissipated to prevent the transformer from overheating. Transformers are typically cooled by air, oil, or water. Air-cooled transformers use natural convection or forced air to dissipate heat. Oil-cooled transformers use insulating oil to transfer heat from the core and windings to a radiator, where it is dissipated to the air. Water-cooled transformers use water to transfer heat from the core and windings to a heat exchanger, where it is dissipated to the air or water. The choice of cooling method depends on the transformer's size, voltage rating, and operating environment.